Hey guys, welcome to the Raw Connection. Today we have a 2013 Jaguar XKR. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light for this vehicle.
Okay, I'm going to press the rear fog lamp, hold it down, press the start button, and then let go of this one, and then press these two.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let go, press this one and press this one. Service reset mode. Hold them down.
10-15 seconds.
Hold them until it resets. That's it.
That's it. Alright, we're going to show you one more time.
Hold this down. I'm going to press the start button. I'm going to go and then press this one. Press this one. Press it to reset.
From here on, you just hold it for 10-15 seconds. It'll reset. And that's pretty much it. You can restart the vehicle after that. The light should be gone. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. And I'll catch you next time. Take care.